Hey guys, welcome back to our Macphee Ford YouTube channel. Yesterday's video we showed how to remove the spare tire off an F-150, and now we're going to show you how to install it if you end up having a flat tire on the side of the road. Alright guys, so now what we did, we jacked the truck up, and now we're going to take the lug nuts off and we're going to show you how to remove the wheel. Using the tool that comes with the truck, the tire iron, put them on the lug nuts. Alright guys, now that we've taken all the lug nuts off, we're going to take the wheel off. Just make sure that you keep your locking wheel nut in the truck with you. Most new Fords come with locking wheel nuts. If you're on the side of the road and you get a spare tire and you don't have a locking wheel nut, your wheel won't come off for you. So always make sure this is kept in your glove box. Alright guys, now that we got this off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to install our spare tire. Alright guys, now that you have your spare tire on and mounted, we're going to put the lug nuts back on and we'll be on our way. Alright guys, and for the final one, we're going to put the lock nut on the wheel there. It's going to line up and become tight. And we're just going to tighten this one down. Alright. There you have it. Now we're just going to drop the truck down, recheck the torque on the wheels, and we'll be all set to go. Alright guys, so now what you can do is you can either throw this tire in the bed of the truck, if you don't have anything in there, make it easier to get it in and out, or you can just reverse the process of putting the spare tire back up underneath where the original one came from. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one.